In this video, I'll guide you through how to invite friends on the Chime app. Whether you're new to Chime or just looking to expand your network, inviting friends is a straightforward process that can help you make the most of the app's features. Let's get started by opening the Chime app on your device. If you haven't already installed it, make sure to download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have the app open, navigate to the Profile section. You'll usually find this at the bottom right corner of your screen, represented by a small icon that looks like a person or a silhouette. Now that you're in the Profile section, look for the option that says Refer a Friend. This feature is designed to make sharing Chime with others quick and easy. Tap on Refer a Friend, and you'll be directed to a new screen displaying both your unique referral link and a QR code. These are the tools you'll use to invite your friends. The referral link is a URL that your friends can click on, and the QR code is a scannable image that serves the same purpose. Both options will link your friends directly to Chime and ensure that your referral is tracked. To share your referral link or QR code, you have several options. You can copy the link and paste it into a text message, email, or even a social media post. Alternatively, you can take a screenshot of your QR code and share it in the same way. If you're with your friends in person, they can simply scan the QR code directly from your screen. This flexibility makes it easy to share Chime with your friends in whatever way is most convenient for you and them. Once you've sent your referral link or QR code, your friends can use it to join Chime. They just need to follow the instructions in the link or scan the QR code, and they'll be guided through the sign-up process. It's that simple. Inviting friends not only helps them discover the benefits of Chime, but can also unlock special rewards for you, depending on the current promotions available. Make sure to check Chime's terms and conditions to see if any referral bonuses apply. And there you have it, you've successfully invited friends on the Chime app. By expanding your network, you're enhancing your experience and potentially introducing your friends to a tool that could benefit them financially. Thanks for watching, and happy inviting.